here it is August. I wanted to update my garden. This is the pear tree. And this peach. And of course the apple. Peach is doing wonderful. The apple tree is doing okay. This is one of my crepe myrtles. And a little bit closer you can see the black-eyed Susan and the white asters and a butterfly bush, one of them. And this vine is a creeping trumpet and a blueberry bush. And this here is Confederate jasmine. It's blooming, smells wonderful. And this one here is a purple verbena. And this one here is new gold lantana. And of course, one of my sunflowers had bloomed. I have lots of sunflowers. And on the arbor, we have some grapes. And here is another lantana, a little bit different variety. And this is Carolina jasmine vine. It's done blooming. It won't bloom till next spring. And another variety of butterfly bush. Now the yellow flowers are just ordinary, like right here are just ordinary. And here is another crepe myrtle. This is white. Another blueberry bush. And when I put some mulch down, look at all the watermelon. Now in the middle here, right there, it's done blooming. It's a Corpus. It won't bloom till next spring. And here are some 4 o'clocks. This one's not ready to bloom yet. There's some more ordinary yellow flowers. Marigolds. All those little yellow flowers are marigolds. And some more zinnias. And another new gold. Lantana. Another sunflower. Marigolds. And here's a 4 o'clock that's blooming. It's got some white and yellow and pink. And right over here is another Corpus. It has beautiful yellow flowers that come. I wish you all could smell this. And here is another 4 o'clock. It's got little white blooms coming up. And sunflowers way over. It's beautiful.